Hello, I'm Ian McDermott, founder of International Teaching Seminars, and so many NLP trainings to choose from. How are you going to choose? Well, I guess it depends on what really matters to you. For me, when I started training people in NLP, which was nearly 30 years ago now, I wanted people to be able to get the how-tos. You can read loads of books, but the real question is, what are you going to do with this in the field, in everyday life? Do you have the how-tos? But that's not all. Something's changed over the years, and that is we've now come to an understanding through really the research that's being done in the neurosciences about why does this work? So it made perfect sense to me a little while ago to begin working with a real neuroscientist. So I'm delighted to say that part of this program will be you meeting with Professor Patricia Riddell, who is a professor of applied neuroscience.
So when I first took my NLP practitioner, it was as if some of the techniques were working by magic, and yet I knew that because of what I understand about the brain, I could actually explain why they were working. And that was really useful because it means that for the people that want that credibility, it's there. So we've come together and we've built a program that actually brings our expertise together.
Yeah. And this has, I think, well, the way it works is that 4 modules, each module 3 days. On the 3rd day in the morning, Patricia comes in and basically debriefs on everything we've done previously, looking at the neuroscience and the basis of why what we're doing works. But in addition to that, it's kind of interesting, in addition, there's something else going on, which is people then have a way of talking about what they're learning, which I think is incredibly useful in, for instance, in their place of work. You know, being able to tell colleagues the why of what you're doing and the background for it, the research that validates it, that's kind of useful.
Yeah, and for some people that's exactly what you need to really convince them that NLP is a great thing, which of course it is. Other people just love the magic.